Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change the candle or filter in this pre-filter. So first here one knob will be there. In this knob we have to switch off the water like this, and these are the pipes going into this pre-filter, and I will also show how to remove these pipes. Here you have to hold this like this, hold up and push the pipe outside. This is how to remove. If you are trying to remove the pipe directly, it will not come out like this. You see, you can't pull it out. So for that we have to press it up like this. This ring type of structure is there. You press it up and remove, it comes very easily. Then we have stopped the water to this pre-filter, and this pre-filter is to be open now, and you can rotate it in this way. It can be rotated, so I am rotating it and removing the host, opening the host of this pre-filter. You can see how much it is dirty. You see how it has gone to the worst level. It has gone to the worst level. So this cannot be repaired or cannot be washed. Simply this has to be thrown outside. Don't reuse it. And because they are very easy, very cheap, they are not costly things. So this is the host. We have to clean it. You see how much dirty it has become. It has become very dusty, and even this scratcher, small cockroaches are also running here, and this is to be cleaned. And new candle is to be installed now. Already I have purchased new candles from Amazon. They are very cheap. Each candle costs some 60-70 rupees to you if you are buying a bundle of some 4-5. So this is the replacement of this candle sponge filter. In place of this has completely gone, and now what we have to do, I will throw it out, and I will clean this host with the help of the soap solution, which is used for the cleaning of our utensils. And here inside that a small circle is there. By looking at that new one, I am opening this new one. Just a minute. It's very easy. In this way it comes. It is very new one, and it costs some 70, 80, even sometimes 100 rupees. This is to be changed regularly for every 2 months or 3 months. And suppose if you call some technician of this RO filter, he will come and replace this, and he will charge some 300 rupees for this easy work. So you can work this very easily. There is nothing. Now I will clean this, and I will put this like this, and I will refit this host to this holder. It's over. Thanks for watching.